Hello YouTube, this is that Minecraft gamer here. This is supposed to be Minecraft, but I'm just playing Happy Wheels today because I feel like it. Okay, Happy Wheels is just like a fun game, and it's supposed to. Oh my gosh, what just happened? Oh shoot. Okay, there we go. And I'm scrolling down. Temple Run, and we are gonna play Temple Run today. And get this ready. It's loading right now. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, people. Oh, no! Ow! Oh, come on, come on! I'm just running away now. Oh, let's start this. Let's go. Oh yeah. Nope. Oh, dang it. Okay, I got this. I got this. I got this. Jump over the tree. Go under the tree. Jump. 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 Don't. Jump. He's coming after me. Oh! What? Okay, I'm not playing this level. Those levels. Come on, scroll down. God. Okay, there we are. What about we play obstacle course? Okay. Oh yeah, we have Johnny too. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, dang it! Oh, poor Johnny. Dad just left Johnny to die. Let's do this over again. Oh, dang it! Should we be the old guy or Johnny that got the mustache? Santa Claus? I was gonna be the old man today. Okay, let's see. God. No, no. I want you to grab the swords. Grab this freaking stuff. Dang it. Just grab it. Now throw it. Throw it. Throw it, old man. Throw it. No, don't go in the cannon. Don't go in the cannon. No, I know you want your old man friend. Okay, let's see what this is. What about we do a lawnmower guy? What the crap? I don't know what just happened with it. Like that. We've got this. Got it, people. Let's go. What the crap? Okay. I'm gonna put this Pokemon on. Pokemon training. Yay. Okay, this kid probably likes Pokemon, so let's do this. Let's do this, Johnny. I choose you! You choose us, so, God. Okay, let's go, little Johnny. You got this. That's... Okay. Look at that kid. That guy's gonna fight us. Oh my god. Johnny, don't die. Okay. Okay, Johnny, don't look at my butt. I don't want you to see that. Oh, my hat. No, my hat. I need it back. Ah! Oh, my arm just fell off. I don't know where it came. Now I have no arms. I'm running back with no arms. Oh my gosh. Now the guy's leg is on our bike, son. You don't want that. You don't want the arm there, son. Son, no, son. Remove that arm. Okay, do it myself. Charge. Ow. No, Johnny! Johnny, no! Oh, Johnny. Johnny, no. Oh, Johnny. I choose you. Okay, we'll get it this time. Stop it, dude. Johnny, no. Johnny, no. Johnny. Johnny, no. Your arms. Your arms, Johnny. Beefcake. See, I just stop. Oh, that guy shot up his wife. Oh my god. Jigglypuff. So I died last time. And where Johnny died. Oh. Johnny. 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 Oh, survive, Johnny. Oh my. Sorry, Johnny, I lied. Last time. I choose you, so Johnny, we're gonna win this time. Don't worry, bro. Johnny? I guess I'm on my own. Sorry. I'm better back right around myself anyways. Oh, I almost cut off my head right there. And, okay, I'm up. Jigglypuff is coming. Snowman. North. That's Mansion too, so let's see how this is. Please play with me. I want a friend. No. What just happened? What just happened? Okay, please play with me. I want a friend. Okay, I think this kid's possessed or something. Can I jump? What the f— Okay, let's just start this and— What? Oh my gosh, this kid's indestructible. Well, okay, my friend's trying to— No. To take him. Batman escape, Batman escape. I don't like that. God. Batman escape. No, I'm not done. God. Oh, sorry, my friend's got transcript. Okay, we're on a cruise, or we just are off a cruise. All these people pissing me off. So, oh, I'm so sorry, people. Ow. Okay, this kid. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna retry that level. Because it's gotta destroy all of this. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. No, he disappeared. He watches everybody else get killed, and he just like watches this all day. Oh, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch this. Oh, I'm sorry, kid. I'm sorry. Oh, now this kid's face is in my stomach. Oh my god, I just hurt my legs. I mean, I can drive connected by a vein. Oh, wow. Nope. Okay. Let's try to kill this guy. Doors out of this. What the crap? I mean, what is that? Whee! Watch out, kids! Oh! Kids! Drunk drivers. God. Okay, I can stand. Now let's walk. No, I'm a worm. Just wiggle your way. Oh, okay, that looks really wrong. Okay, just wiggle your way. Almost there. Whatever. Okay, let's do one more level. It's like a level. Let's pick a random one, and I don't know what that is. But okay, it's just normal kids. Wait, can I run into me? No, 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 Johnny! The heck? I can't go down. I exploded. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Very slowly. Very slowly, Johnny. No blood. I didn't hear any blood. I didn't. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. Sorry about that. And this guy's just following me. So, and I'm sinking into the ground for some reason, pushing this subway. And how do I get out? I have no idea. Let's go, Johnny. We almost got it. We almost got it, Johnny. Where are you? Dang, come on, bud. Come on, subway. Oh, we can see the wheels. Let's go, let's go. Okay, this is very strange. I don't see any people in there. It's just felt like a ghost. Oh yeah, it's real time. Oh my gosh. Johnny, I'm sorry I had to see that. So yeah guys, thanks for watching this video, and again, this is Happy Wheel, so thanks for watching, and bye.